The analogy is that your health is like a campfire. So a roaring campfire is wonderful, right? A big roaring campfire has to have three things to make it work. The first one is great wood, right? Great wood is like oak or madrone or eucalyptus or something hard and dry. So you get your nice dry wood and you put it down there. And then you look at it and say, where's the campfire? Now, that's not going to do it, right? So nutrition's important, but it's not going to solve the problem. So then you got your match or whatever lighter you have, and you hold that under the wood. And maybe you see the little bits start to have embers and a little tiny flame on a splinter, but it's still not quite right. But if you add the last piece, which is something that a physician can do for you with guidance, is to add the accelerant. That would be kindling, and all of a sudden the fire comes to life. And so what we do is nutrition is the wood, exercise is the flame, and healthy medicine like this and this age-defying kind of medicine, that's the accelerant, because the big picture is really what's going to make people healthy, and that's what Cenegenics is all about.